I am gonna finally declutter and organize my closet. I should mention that my closet is not the fanciest, biggest, normal closet because it's kind of like a little nook in my bedroom, but it's gotten so unorganized and I need to really do something about it. So today's the day. My cat's trying to attack me. What are you doing? Just gonna move down because he's really trying to get me. Anyways, I'm gonna get rid of some clothes first and foremost, and then I'm gonna organize everything that I have left. Everything that I do declutter, I usually end up giving to my little sister to sell on Poshmark. But yeah, let's just get started with this declutter because it is very, very overdue. This is what my closet is. It's off to the side. I always have these doors open because they're just so inconvenient, but this is how it looks like. Not gonna touch anything from my fiance's side because he kind of organized it already. My side is just a little bit messier and a lot more to get rid of. It used to be organized, but not right now. And then I got some garbage there because I cleared up one of my bags. So yeah, a lot to get rid of. So let's get started.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town.
All right, first we have to get all of the clothes out of the shelves. As I'm taking them out of the shelves, I'm also deciding whether I'm gonna keep them or not. Some of the items are really easy to get rid of, and some I just kind of have to fold out and look at them and think, when was the last time that I wore these? As far as jeans go, I am being really ruthless with my jeans. I am tired of buying jeans that don't fit me right, and that's typically what I do with jeans. I feel like I only have one pair that fits me the way I want it to fit. Anybody else? So I got rid of all my jeans. I'm not even playing. I usually hang up dresses, sweaters, and light jackets on this rack. I like to have all my hangers to match, so I took out those like mint green ones that I no longer use. I think these are just remnants of the ones I used to have. I recently switched to all black hangers, and these are velvet hangers, so nothing falls off of them, and they're really, really nice. I got these at Costco. They usually have like 50 for like 10 or 15 bucks, depending. I think throughout the seasons, they'll like sell them again, but you can also find them like at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, stores like that, and even Amazon. I'll link a couple options online, but I'm removing all of the clothes from this rack so that I can get through to what's behind these clothes. And this is where I think the mess is really at. I've neglected this side of my closet so many times, so I'm finally gonna get to it because it's overdue.
I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody.
Okay, these storage boxes, I really need to look through and get rid of some things. The first box has shoes in it, and I actually did get rid of a couple shoes that were just getting a little too old, or just shoes that I didn't wear on a regular basis. I also did take out my cold weather shoes so that I can have them available when I need them, especially because it's getting colder these days. The second box I looked through and I said nope. It had just had a lot of bras and stuff that I just don't use right now because I'm breastfeeding, so I don't want to deal with that box. The third box has a lot of my pregnancy clothes. We are going to try for baby number 2, so I don't want to get rid of these clothes just yet.
But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We bottoms up.
I had a couple bags that were hiding a lot more than I thought they were, and so I'm just clearing those out, getting rid of some of the bags that I no longer use. I found a bag with a whole bunch of shoes, got rid of these little booties. I thought I was gonna keep them, but no, I need to get rid of them, so into the donation pile they went. And then I sorted some of these sandals out. They're summer shoes, so I just made sure to put those away because I don't need them for the winter.
But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up.
Moving on to this little corner of the closet, I had just random garbage and things to sort out. So I got rid of a lot of the things that were on the floor. And then these little like plastic storage bins, I have like things that I use every day. I have bras in one of them, underwear, PJs, and then socks. So I didn't really fuss too much with them, but I did get rid of some of the things that were in there, things that I just didn't need, that I knew right off the bat that I could get rid of. All right, now the fun part. Does anybody else like folding clothes as much as I do? I get a real sense of gratification when I fold clothes. I don't know what it is. It's just so relaxing to me. So this part is probably the most relaxing and fun part for me. Also, I noticed that I have so many sports team shirts, which is odd because I don't really go to a lot of games, but my boyfriend is really into sports and he wears a lot of things. So I always end up buying random shirts just to support his love for sports. But yeah, I didn't realize how many shirts I actually had. Once I put everything back into the shelves and hang up everything, I think it's worth seeing everything you get rid of. It's just refreshing to look at your closet and think, man, I actually use every piece. And I'm just sorting out the clothes by shirts, pants, leggings, stuff like that. And then when I hang stuff, I usually put the items that I use the most towards the front, and then things I don't really use often go in the back. So this is everything that I'm gonna give to my sister. I'm just folding everything up and putting them in these bags so that I can give them to her later on. But I feel really, really good about everything that I got rid of. I feel like I got a good amount of stuff out of the way, things that I just, like I said, never used and were just sitting there.
All that happened to us, 'cause
And this is how everything looks after decluttering all of those clothes. I can honestly say that all the clothes that are left, I'm gonna use them every single day without even thinking twice. The closet looks so much more organized, so much more clean, and I'm actually excited to make cute outfits. And yeah, I think that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this declutter. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.